क्या इस साल इंटरेस्टेड है वोट करने के लिए?
हाँ जी मैम।
Is this the first time you'll be voting for the elections?
Yes, funny thing is that I still don't have my voter ID card, and I would be applying for it being 21, and it's been 3 years since I'm eligible. But it hasn't ever bothered me yet to actually go out there and get it. But yeah, this year yes, I'm applying for it.
Will you look at the candidates work in your area or the political party he or she belongs to?
Honestly, that has always been the main question. Be it the candidate or the party, that has always been a difficult choice. As far as these elections are concerned, I forgot the name of the person who's standing from my area, but I mean, he's standing opposite Sandeep Dixit, and I think there are a lot of expectations from this guy, and the campaigning is very good. And I think if we start from area to area, move on from society, from colony, from resident welfare association to Delhi at a larger scale, that would be something really good to work on.
Sheila Dikshit's work in Delhi, the kind of development she's brought to Delhi.
Yeah, I mean, I think she got enough time, and everyone complains that any leadership come if they spread over and they get more time and establish a teamwork. So she got enough. So far, I'm pretty. If I have to counterpart or see other person, so I will rather look at her work and the way Delhi is going. So I've been following her work, and also I'm pretty okay with her. I won't say I'll give 7 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. I don't want to rate her, but I've been pretty okay.
Most about Delhi's state right now. As a capital, it has a lot of issues. What is the major issue that bothers you right now?
I think inflation is the biggest issue that our city. Not just Delhi, I think it is a country as a whole which is facing inflation, price rise. There are a lot of poor people living in Delhi, and I think they are battling price rise and inflation.